If you have someone in your life that you know that is always upping the ante on their life, always trying to see how they can change, be a better version of themselves, I want to introduce you to the Freeing the Butterfly book series. If you want the blueprint to being a better version of yourself from year to year, these are the books that would really help you do that. Freeing the Butterfly starts you off with the basics that you would need to do in order to make a big change, but in a holistic way. Once you're done with the first book, you can move on to Freeing the Butterfly Within. And this book focuses on connecting with your inner power to creating not only long-lasting changes, but happiness. And the third book in the series is the Freeing the Butterfly Power Words Journal. In book number 2, we talk about power words in each chapter that will help you to not only bring the changes that you want, but bring the energy to yourself. So your journal comes in handy when you want to reflect on the different words and how you feel and how you might want to do things or bring energy to yourself. So for all the self-help people that you know, I think this would be an awesome series to a holiday gift. And if you have any questions at all about the book and how it can help, you can always DM me. I'm so happy that you have been here with me for so long. I appreciate your time. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful day. We'll see you next time. Ciao. Mwah.